Welcome to Best Choice. The best Volkswagen Beetle door panels is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for restoring or customizing your classic bug, impacting both the aesthetic appeal and the overall driving experience by providing insulation, sound dampening, and a finished look to the interior, making their selection a critical step in any Beetle project. Number 5. Dorman 83239 Volkswagen Interior Door Pull Handle. This interior door pull handle is designed to perfectly match the original handle on your specified Volkswagen. It's a direct replacement that ensures a seamless fit and function. If your original door handle has failed, this replacement will fully restore both the appearance and functionality of your vehicle's interior. Get back to effortless door operation. Crafted from high-quality materials, this handle is built for reliability and a long service life. You can count on its durable construction for consistent performance. Rely on the quality backed by over a century of automotive experience and a dedicated team of U.S. product experts. We stand behind our reliable parts. To guarantee this part is the right fit for your exact vehicle, simply use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility. What we like. This is a direct replacement part designed to perfectly match your original. It restores both the look and function of your interior door handle. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss solution to replace a broken or worn-out handle, this is the choice for you. What people say. This handle is one piece, unlike the original which attaches to the back and has a snap-on piece on the front. It's a lot tougher than the original, though it looks pretty much the same from the front, minus the screw holes that get covered up. Perfect for my 2006 VW Beetle, the addition of the longer screws means you do not have to take the door panel loose. Just trim up any old pieces that are not flush and screw this great handle in. That's it, simple and functional. Just installed both sides, and they seem strong and clean. I used a Dremel tool to get the old plastic of the doors. I didn't want to take the door shell, it's getting old and frail. Number 4. KUAFU Door Panels for Volkswagen Beetle. Upgrade your classic Volkswagen Beetle with these premium door panels from KUAFU. Designed to fit models from 1965 to 1977, they offer a perfect blend of style and function. These panels are specifically designed for the Volkswagen Beetle and Baja Bug models from 1965 to 1977. Please note that they are not compatible with convertible versions. Replace worn-out door panels and give your vehicle a fresh, new look. The integrated pockets provide convenient storage for your essentials. Crafted from high-quality black PVC leather, these panels offer a sleek appearance that complements any interior. They provide a durable and stylish finish. You will receive a set of 4 door panels, as pictured. Please be aware that installation accessories and instructions are not included with this package. While designed for easy clip-on installation, some cutting or modification might be necessary. For the best results, professional installation is highly recommended. What we like. These door panels offer a premium look with convenient storage pockets, perfect for keeping essentials within reach. If you want to upgrade your classic Beetle's interior with a touch of modern practicality and a sleek black finish, these are an excellent option. What people say. Great option for a VW Bug refurbish. Well-made pieces, and beautiful look after being put on the door. These are much nicer and better looking than I expected. Number 3. Dorman 84029 Volkswagen Interior Door Pull Handle. This interior door pull handle is designed to seamlessly match the original handle on your specified Volkswagen. It's a direct replacement that ensures a perfect fit and function. If your original door handle has failed, this replacement will fully restore both the appearance and functionality of your vehicle's interior. Get back to using your door handle as intended. Crafted from high-quality materials, this part is built for reliability and a long service life. You can trust its durable construction for consistent performance. Backed by over a century of automotive experience and a team of US-based product experts, you can rely on the quality of this part. It's a trustworthy choice for your vehicle. To guarantee this part is the right fit for your exact vehicle, simply use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility. What we like. Engineered for a precise fit, this interior door pull handle ensures your vehicle's functionality is fully restored. If you need a dependable part that guarantees long-lasting performance and a seamless integration with your Volkswagen, this is the ideal selection. What people say. The instructions were clear and it was easy to install. It's a solid handle. So easy to install. Fit my 2006 Beetle perfectly. Outstanding performance, great quality. Number 2. Universal Door Panel Kit, Type 1 and SB 65-77, black. Introducing our innovative door panel kit, designed for a seamless fit. Experience enhanced storage with thoughtfully placed map pockets on both sides. This kit is engineered for universal application on Type 1 and SB models from 1965 to 1977. Enjoy a perfect fit without the convertible exception. Never lose track of your essentials again. Our design includes convenient map pockets on both the right and left sides for easy access. Crafted with a sleek black finish, this kit not only adds functionality but also enhances the interior aesthetics of your vehicle. Upgrade your classic car's interior with this practical and stylish door panel kit. It's the perfect blend of form and function. What we like. Featuring an innovative design with map pockets on both sides, these universal door panels add practical storage to your classic Beetle. If you appreciate clever design and need extra space for maps or small items, this kit is a great way to enhance your interior. What people say. Dimensions were a perfect match for the original door panels on my '73 Superbug. Good quality product has punch-outs on the back panel for the original hardware but not on the vinyl, so you can keep a clean look. These are finished nicely, great replacements as they fit up well and install easily. Number 1. YHTAUTO Power Window Regulator for Volkswagen Beetle. This is a direct replacement power window regulator designed for your vehicle. It's built with durable metal and plastic components for long-lasting reliability, ensuring it fits perfectly on the front driver's side. Engineered specifically for the Volkswagen Beetle models from 1998 to 2011 hatchback. You can trust that this part is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring seamless integration with your car. Our manufacturing process ensures all components, including the relay, cable, clips, and pulley, are durable and tested for up to 30,000 cycles. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures from -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, operating smoothly in any weather. Experience a peaceful drive with its extremely quiet operation, producing noise levels below 50 decibels. This ensures a serene environment, allowing you to concentrate on the road ahead without distraction. Installation is straightforward thanks to precise mounting points, making it a simple plug-and-play process. We also offer a 1-year service to address any issues that may arise from normal use. What we like. This power window regulator ensures smooth, quiet operation even in extreme temperatures, providing a comfortable driving experience. If your Beetle's power windows are acting up and you desire a reliable, easy-to-install replacement that offers long-lasting performance, this is the part you need. What people say. This one was perfect, works like a dream. The entire window assembly was already mounted on a replacement pan that bolts right to the inside of the driver's door, making it extremely easy to work on. I used this product for my 1998 VW Beetle. It worked out very well, no problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.